where the flowers bloom and the sunshine glows. There's normal gardens where the beauty grows. Every leaf tells a story, every seed takes flight. In the garden's heart, everything feels right. Es mamo, sing it to the sky. Whisper to the petals as the clouds drift by. Es mamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ezmamo Gardens. Today we're gonna be looking at this plant called Euphorbia tirukali, commonly known as Indian tree spurge, naked lady, pencil tree, pencil cactus, fire stick, avelos, or milk bush. Is a tree native to southern Africa that grows in semi-arid tropical climates. Hydrocarbon plant, it produces a poisonous latex that can cause temporary blindness. The pencil tree is a shrub or a small tree with pencil, thick, green, smooth, succulent branches that reaches a height of up to 7 meters. It has a cylindrical and fleshy stem with fragile succulent twigs that are 7 millimeters thick, often produced in whorls, finely striated longitudinally. The oval leaves are 1 to 2.5 centimeters long and about 3 to 4 millimeters wide. They usually fall off early. It contains a milky, toxic, and corrosive sap. The yellow flowers are at the ends of the branches. It has a wide distribution in Africa in black clay soil, being prominently present in the northern, eastern, central, and southern Africa. It may also be native in other parts of the continent as well as some surrounding islands in the Arabian Peninsula, and it has been introduced to many other tropical regions such as Brazil, India, Vietnam, the Philippines, and Ghana. It grows in dry areas, especially the savanna, and it's often used to feed cattle or as a hedging. It is well known in Sri Lanka, where it is called Kali. In Tamil, as mentioned in the Akananuru by the Sri Lankan Tamil poet Yelatu Putan Devana, and in Sinhalese as Weradi Nawahandi. The fire stick is abundant in southern Africa, and it seeds itself freely across its distribution range. It's well represented in various habitats and is not an endangered species. There are more than 2,000 species of Euphorbia found in the warmer parts of the world. Of approximately 200 species found in South Africa, 14 can be seen as trees. These succulent trees resemble cactus plants and at first glance are often mistaken for cacti. The euphorbia produces yellowish flowers that attracts butterflies, bees, and other insects. These are primarily responsible for pollination, as the flowers also produces immense quantities of nectar. The seeds are also eaten by various birds. The plant itself has very bushy branches which are used for nesting, and the spineless branches are an added advantage for the birds. The pencil cactus is extremely drought tolerant and hard to kill, and as a result, it is great low maintenance, easy care plant for your home or garden. You can grow your pencil cactus indoor year round as a house plant. If planting outdoors, it's best to do so in the spring when temperatures are warm and stable. This plant has become popular in cultivation. It uses its green stems to photosynthesize and is therefore able to minimize surface exposure and water loss. As far as it can be established, there have been no record of animals that eat the branches of this plant. It is possible that the poisonous latex that the plant produces may act as a deterrent to browsers. The fire stick plant is used as an alternative medicine in many cultures. Attempts have been made to use it to treat cancer, tumors, warts, asthma, coughs, earache, toothache in countries including Brazil, India, Indonesia, and Malaysia. It has been promoted as an anti-cancer agent, but research shows that it suppresses the immune system, promoting tumor growth and leads to development of certain types of cancer. Please be advised, do not ingest this plant in any form. Its latex can also be used as fuel. It has also been used in the production of rubber, but unfortunately neither of these research have been successful. The milky latex from the euphorbia is extremely irritating to the skin and mucosa and is toxic. Exposure to it can cause temporary blindness. Skin contact causes severe irritation, redness, and a burning sensation. And if ingested, it can cause burns to the mouth, lips, and tongue. It is suggested to wear eye protection gear and gloves for handling the plant. This plant is easy to propagate by stem cuttings, the branches, seeds, very easy. And the best time to propagate is during the active growing season in late spring and summer. All these trees that you see in the yard, I grew from cuttings. They didn't have any roots. I just had only cuttings, placed them in soil, and now they're beautiful, beautiful bushes that I can trim and shape anyway and anyhow. That is why it's excellent for hedging. This branch is leaning over. I think it's best that I propagate it. It is winter season at the moment, so the fire stick plant gets its fiery orange, red, yellow color from stress. The brighter the sun, the cooler the weather, the more intense the orange color becomes. And in contrast, too much shade or heavy watering will cause the stem to fade to green. If you're growing this plant indoors, please make sure you have it somewhere where it receives bright indirect light. Only water the plant when the soil is completely dry, and it does not require a lot of fertilizing, so it will thrive indoor as well. Now let's propagate this fallen branch. Always wear gloves when pruning or handling the fire stick. The stems contain a toxic milky white sap that is a severe skin and eye irritant and is highly toxic if ingested. After you have taken your cutting, rinse or allow the milky sap to drain. Let the cut end callus over a few days and plant it in a well-draining soil. I found a perfect spot for it. I'll plant it right here. And the next thing I did was remove the lower leaves of the stem. After filling up the soil, I then waited an extra 2 days before watering the plant to make sure that it calloused properly. Now you can grow your Euphorbia chiricali for its striking coral-like appearance and low maintenance, drought-tolerant nature, wildlife resistant, and it has become popular in dramatic architectural centerpiece for modern landscapes. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you soon.